Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use our Weed and Feed with Trimec step by step. If you like this video, you can visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Some lawns need an herbicide. Some lawns need a fertilizer. Most lawns need both. Solutions 15510 Weed and Feed Fertilizer with Trimec is a granulated combination of both fertilizer and weed killer. This product comes in a 50-pound bag composed of 15% nitrogen, 5% phosphorus, 10% potassium, a micronutrient pack that will further improve turf growth, and Trimec, a blend of herbicides that will effectively treat a variety of weeds, including dandelions, spurges, and ivies. Solutions Weed and Feed is a slow-release fertilizer that will ensure your lawn gets the nutrients it needs without the risk of burning your turf. In as quickly as 30 days, Solutions Weed and Feed can help you generate a thick, green, and weed-free lawn. To apply Solutions Weed and Feed, you will need to broadcast the product with a push spreader or hand spreader. Ensure your spreader is properly calibrated ahead of time. It is also helpful to have a weighing scale and bucket to measure how much product you need based on your treatment area. Prepare your lawn by mowing it to its normal height 1 to 2 days before application, and water your lawn thoroughly at least 1 day before application. Mowing your lawn ensures a less dense treatment area, allowing the fertilizer an easier time to reach the soil. Watering ensures your soil doesn't go dry during treatment, which would negatively impact the effectiveness of this product. Calculate the amount of product you'll need to use by calculating your treatment area's square footage. Do this by multiplying the area's length by its width. You will need to apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. When it's time to apply, load your spreader with the proper amount of Solutions Weed and Feed. You can use a bucket and weighing scale to measure the amount you need. Try to time your application towards the morning so the grass is wet with dew. If it's not wet when you apply, then lightly sprinkle your lawn with water. This will allow for the herbicide to stick to weed leaves, ensuring the product's absorption and efficacy. Evenly distribute all of your product throughout your treatment area. With a push spreader, broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Make sure you've applied product on a day without rainfall, and water your lawn again 1 to 2 days after application. This will give the product time to properly absorb into the treated weeds. Solutions Weed and Feed can be applied to warm season grasses like Bermuda grass, zoysia grass, St. Augustine grass, Bahia grass, and centipede grass. It can also be applied over cool season turf like Kentucky bluegrass, fescues, and perennial ryegrass. Apply Solutions Weed and Feed directly to your lawn and sweep any product that may have landed on the driveway, sidewalk, gutter, or street back into the treatment area. Do not use this product near desirable plants or around trees and shrubs with exposed roots. Application of Solutions Weed and Feed is best done early during your turf's growing season, typically in spring and when weeds are young and actively growing. A second retreatment may be necessary after 30 days if the lawn is heavily overrun by weeds or if adverse low moisture conditions prevail and weeds are in a state of poor growth. Solutions Weed and Feed is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Solutions Weed and Feed comes in a 50-pound bag composed of 15% nitrogen, 5% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. We recommend you conduct a soil test at least once a year to figure out how much of each nutrient your lawn needs. Typically, a lawn needs at least 1 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet per growing season. Use this product in conjunction with an additional fertilizing program to achieve this. Be careful not to add too much nitrogen, as this will encourage weed growth and other adverse effects in your lawn. When you need to boost turf growth and treat for weeds, Solutions 15510 Weed and Feed Fertilizer with Trimec is a great product that will accomplish both in a single application.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.